Indeed, Shadow Legends it is. Oh dear, there's a Summon Boost event going on right now, and that gives me a greater chance at unlocking some better champions. Woot! You can see here, I've already collected and leveled up quite a few, but we're always on the hunt for even stronger ones. Sinesha is my most recent. She is terrifying. Raid also has a slew of different events and tournaments going on constantly. This means fighting epic bosses and reaping even more rewards than usual. I've been building up a team to take on the higher level dragon as well. Turns out they're getting pretty good at slaying that beast. Looky there, more goodies. And over the last couple of weeks they've added a load of new updates. First, they've just added the champion fragments, which let you collect pieces of a champion that you use to then summon them, like this guy. I already done did that. There's also a new bazaar, where you can load up on big ticket items with the gold bars you win at the tag team arena. There's rewards every day just for logging in and playing, which they've extended to 270 days. Go to the video description, click on the special links, and if you're a new player, you'll get 50,000 silver, 50 gems, 1 energy refill, 1 clan boss key, 5 mystery shards, and the champion hex weaver. All delivered right here to your inbox. Links are in the description down there, somewhere. I'll play more later. Back to work. About motor wiring? I'm gonna call the wolf.
This is the wolf.
Yo.
Old motor wiring? Yeah. Okay. You're 30 minutes away. I'll be there at 10.
Are you Mr. Wolf?
I am. Are you Brett?
I am.
Is this your house?
Nope.
Show me the motor.
Hi, Mr. Wolf. I just wanted to say thanks. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. This is what I do.